Welcome back. So while on one hand rainfall in Delhi brought for the residents a pleasant change, however, because of the heavy downfall, the Delhi and NCR regions then had heavy waterlogging that was triggered by the downpour. The rainfall started early today morning in the capital, and even adjoining Gurugram and Noida got literally flooded. Take a look at these visuals from three different areas from Delhi and NCR. The heavy rainfall in the Millennium City of Gurugram wreaked havoc. Key roads, golf course underpass started to get flooded, and that waterlogging caused in return heavy traffic snarls, massive inconvenience to the local residents. To help people, authorities have deployed civil defense volunteers, and while that was the situation in Gurugram, in the national capital Delhi also there was heavy waterlogging and traffic jams. The rain causing the jam in many important areas, but one of the biggest incident was 14 vehicles damaged after portion of a school in Delhi and its wall collapsed due to the heavy rainfall in Saket area.
Abhi just it is having a temporary spell. Maybe after 40 minutes it will stop. But the major activity will pick up from tomorrow. So, like you know, on 11 to 13, we have a very good spell over majority part of northwest India. I mean, another spell will start from tomorrow, and that's why we have kept all these area like Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, red color also for 19 and 20, 2 days extreme rainfall. And remaining Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, we have also given heavy rainfall for 18 and 19. So Delhi also will maybe have a heavy spell tomorrow afternoon or day after tomorrow morning.
But now I'm joined on the phone line by Ankit Tyagi. Ankit, you have been in the city, you've been visiting different places. How was the situation in Delhi, in Gurugram? Because the visuals clearly are horrifying.
You see, Pooja, you know, this is what the problem is, that there is no accountability, and this is something which we are seeing now happening very frequently in all our major metros. Gurgaon today, the Millennium City, in fact, completely submerged. The main area, the newly built, in fact, subways and the underways which have been made in Gurgaon, in the golf course road, were completely submerged. It rained for about 3 to 4 hours there, heavy rainfall, and post that, these visuals that you are seeing are absolutely horrifying. We, in fact, spoke to a few Samaritans as well, people those who were helping out. I spoke to an off-roader, a national car rally driver who was, in fact, using his vehicle, was trying to pull out others, those who were stuck in water. At this moment, the administration has, in fact, employed the multiple pumps in all these subways which have completely been flooded in Gurgaon. The water has started to recede, and thankfully in the last 3 to 4 hours at least, there hasn't been any major rainfall in or around Gurgaon, and that is why the situation is in fact now getting better. Also another thing is that this has been more than usual rainfall, at least for the month of August in the Delhi NCR region, and that is possibly another reason why in fact there is such chaos all across the Delhi NCR region.
Ankit, thank you so much for tracking all the latest. Can only imagine the inconvenience faced, especially by people who were commuting to office and other places. Complete mayhem due to the waterlogging.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.